Union Home Minister of India Amit Shah has given a green signal on implementation of inner line permit system in the state, according to reports. To mark the historic announcement, Manipur government have announced today as state holiday. The Citizenship Amendment Bill was passed in the Lok Sabha yesterday amid strong protests from the entire Northeast region. As per report, the bill was passed late last night, where 311 MPs voted in favor of the bill, while 80 voted against it. All Manipur Students Union has announced that it will still support the 11-hour Northeast shutdown called by Northeast Students Organization NESO against the controversial Citizenship Amendment Bill. The ban began this morning and due to it, normal life is affected in the state. Life came to a standstill across Assam and other northeastern states today as the 11-hour ban evoked massive response from all quarters. The 11-hour ban has been called by Northeast Students Organization against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill. The shutdown is being supported by several organizations. Mizoram Department of Health and Family Welfare has suspended impanelment of 15 private hospitals from medical reimbursement of all Mizoram government servants. It has also put their eligible dependents under suspension and those entitled to medical reimbursement under Mizoram Healthcare Scheme 2019, media reports said. Chile's Air Force said it lost radio contact with a transport plane carrying 38 people on a flight last evening to the country's base in Antarctica. According to media reports, the military had declared an alert and activated search and rescue teams. The C-130 Hercules carried 11 crew members and 21 passengers, including 3 civilians.